Welcome to Local Date Time. Handle dates and times without time zones. Here is what we will learn. Let's get started. Why do we need this concept? Using primitive types like ints for dates leads to confusing, error-prone code. How do we handle dates and times reliably? Primitive types are error-prone. Date logic is complex manually. Time zones cause confusion. Local datetime provides a clear, immutable object for datetime operations. How is local datetime used in the real world? Event scheduling. Set meeting times without time zone. Log timestamps. Record when actions occurred. Birthday tracking. Store date and time of birth. Local datetime powers all these applications. Let's see the problem it solves. So what happens without local datetime? Manually parsing date strings with string operations. Look at how messy the code gets. Error-prone string parsing. No date validation. Time zone issues. There has to be a better way. Here comes the solution. Local datetime. Look how clean the code is now. Immutable and thread safe. No time zone confusion. Rich datetime API. Compare the difference. And that is why we use local datetime. Let's see how to implement local datetime in code. Here is the implementation. Get current time. Capture current date and time. Create specific time. Set custom date and time. Add days. Calculate future date. Print result. Display future date. Now let's see the output of this code. Quiz time. Test your understanding. What does local datetime represent? Which one is correct? The correct answer is local datetime stores date and time without time zone info. How to create current date and time. Which one is correct? The correct answer is now returns current date time from system clock. What's the output? Which one is correct? The correct answer is get month returns month enum, not integer. How to add 2 weeks to a local datetime. Which one is correct? The correct answer is plus weeks method adds specified weeks. Here is a challenge for you. What's the output? Comment your answer below. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe.